In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change withdrawal account on Piggyvest. So this issue have happened to me before, and this is exactly how I fix it. So let's say, for example, you log into your Piggyvest account, then you go to account down below, then you're gonna see a page just like this. Then you click on withdrawal bank. So once you click on withdrawal bank, you're gonna see this page look like this. So you can see I already connected my Stanbic bank account to this, and he also stated that this is where fund you have saved on Piggyvest will be sent to when you initiate a withdrawal. Fund are sent instantly. You can see I only have my Stanbic account, and if I want to change this option right here, you can see down below once where they say looking to change your bank. For security reason, you have to contact Piggyvest customer support on this phone number, or you can contact them through their email to change your bank. So once you contact them, they're gonna ask you for some details, probably your ID, how much you have in your account balance, before you'll be able to change your withdrawal options on Piggyvest. And once you provide everything they requested from you, you will be allowed to change that. They can also show you, they can also ask for the details you want to use, but most likely they will give you an option on this page where you can actually add another or change the withdrawal option right here. So that's most likely, but you can contact them through this phone number or through this email. They're gonna reply you as fast as possible, and their customer supports are actually active.